This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, May 13th. I'm James Spann. Moisture levels gradually rising in coming days, but really I don't see a big washout type of rain anytime soon. No doubt, though, we'll have some showers around this weekend. Let's go in there and discuss things. This is the water vapor satellite view. Big trough on the west coast that will be spinning up more severe weather for parts of the Great Plains by Friday and Saturday. But around here, the air is dry. The sky is mostly sunny. And temperatures are as forecast, around 80 in most spots. Cullman 78, Birmingham 82. And look at those low dew points. Hey, Fort Payne 36. Next time we see dew points in the 30s will probably be sometime in the fall. So enjoy this day. To the west, we have a flash flood watch for much of Texas. Up into Oklahoma, the counties in yellow in South Texas, that is a tornado watch. And you can see the standard slight risk of severe weather there. Tomorrow, standard slight risk over parts of West Texas. And on day 3, which is Friday, an enhanced risk over Nebraska with the standard slight risk down to parts of Texas around Childress. And then on day 4, which is Saturday, this could be a pretty active day. Severe storms most likely from Oklahoma City north to Omaha. And there could be a few tornadoes in that zone. And on day 5, which is Sunday, the risk moves out toward the Great Lakes, the ridge deflecting the severe weather away from us. And really, I don't see any severe weather risks, at least for the next 10 days, and maybe well beyond that. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning. For us, rain amounts of about 1/2 to 1 inch, bigger numbers to the west. The bullseye near Dallas-Fort Worth, 5.7 inches there. All right, model fans. Here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. 588 ridge over the Gulf in Florida. Big trough on the west coast. Moisture begins to rise, but I really think a pretty decent part of the day should be dry. Here's the synoptic scale look. We'll take a look at the high-res NAM. This is valid tomorrow evening at 7, showing perhaps the better coverage of showers and storms over the southern half of the state. We'll call it partly sunny tomorrow. We'll mention the chance of a shower late in the day, but a reasonable part of the day should be dry. Mid-80s are likely. And this is Friday, and you can see the deal. We have a deep surface low that's over northeast Colorado, about 1,000 millibars. Severe weather possible south and east of that. And for us, we're in kind of a soupy air mass, but there's no big dynamic forcing, no big upward motion. So we'll mention certainly a chance of showers and storms on Friday, but again, for the things we have going on outside, it's just not going to rain and rain and rain. There'll be some very nice breaks in the rain. In fact, this is the high-res NAM Friday evening at 7 o'clock, and it's not very bullish on rain. It's certainly got showers around, but the northern half of the state looking relatively dry at that point. So could it rain Friday? Yes. Will it rain? Probably. But again, no all-day type situation, and we'll see some nice breaks in the rain. And I think that might be the theme for the weekend. This is Saturday, and again, there's a deep surface low on the eastern plains of Colorado, and that could be a very active, severe weather day for Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, maybe North Texas. For us, we've got this soupy air mass, and that certainly suggests a chance of showers and storms. But like Friday, the rain's not going to be continuous. There'll be some nice breaks in the rain. The sun might peek out at times, and the high should be in the low 80s. And really the same thing on Sunday. That deep surface low is moving up into Minnesota. The better chance of any severe weather around the Great Lakes. But down here, just a mix of sun and clouds, warm, muggy, scattered showers and storms. The storms are going to be somewhat random. Can't give you a start-stop time. Just be aware you might have to deal with some rain at times Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Same thing Monday of next week, that surface front well to the north. We're still in moist air. Tuesday, the front tries to get in here. This is suggesting perhaps the Tennessee Valley might be drier. And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 20th. Very strong trough over eastern Canada. And by golly, the GFS brings dry air down into Alabama. And if this is right, next Wednesday could be a nice day, somewhat like today, mostly sunny with lower humidity. This is Saturday, May 23rd. This is the beginning of the Memorial Day weekend. And again, a big trough in the west. We've got ridging down here, and that suggests the weather could be pretty dry. And hopefully it stays that way for the rest of the holiday weekend. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. You can see the highs for the weekend, mostly low 80s. Then we go back up in the upper 80s to near 90 for next week. And again, this is the temperature anomalies May 21st through May 27th. Above average in the east, below average back in the southwest. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.